Hello, Silvana here with Family First Life. And if you are a small business owner, medium-sized business owner, this video is for you. We are talking about Keyman Insurance. What is that? So a Keyman Insurance policy is for business purposes. So it provides coverage for personnel that are essential to the business and the capabilities or the functions of the business. So in the event of a key personnel, a key employee passes away, the company receives an influx of cash that will provide for finding a new qualified personnel, finding the right person, training, and not just anyone, but the right person for your business. Just think about an engineer and how important they could be for certain operations. How much coverage some businesses ask me? It depends on the revenue that this employee brings to the business and what it means not to have this person. How long it would take to find a replacement, the cost of training, relocating, and other expenses. So what's really cool about this policy, and if we put in place a compound interest vehicle policy, is that policy accrues cash value, which you, the business, can access if, for example, this employee were to get disabled, just to afford the cost of operations without this employee. The other cool thing is that the proceeds in the event of the death will be tax-free to the business. So this policy is owned by the business, your business, and it's paid for by the business. So you're in total control of this policy. If you are a small business owner and you would like to look into insuring any of your employees so your business is covered, please go to ffl-veritas.com, fill out our form, and we'll be happy to give you a call and set up an appointment to help you out.